A newly unsealed court filing reveals the Biden administration authorized the use of deadly force during the FBI's 2022 raid on Mar-a-Lago. Now, in the classified documents probe, that's where this all happened. Former President Trump reacting on Truth Social, writing, quote, "Crooked Joe Biden's DOJ and their illegal and unconstitutional raid of Mar-a-Lago authorized the FBI to use deadly, lethal force. Now we know for sure that Joe Biden is a serious threat to democracy. He is mentally unfit to hold office. 25th Amendment."
There's a lot to unpack here, and Pam Bondi is going to help us do that. She's a Trump campaign surrogate and, of course, former Florida Attorney General, and joins us now. You just saw me in your shot. How dare I get in the camera shot? Okay, so the FBI is responding to this. They're saying this is standard protocol wording, the way we worded this search warrant. The problem is that this isn't a standard raid. So what do you think about this, and what should have happened here?
So, Carly, I was in trial with President Trump all day yesterday. We walk out of trial and then get this news. And how upsetting is that, especially to all the great men and women of the Secret Service who were in Mar-a-Lago? It was a safe place. I've been part of executing multiple search warrants. Nothing about this was standard. It was a siege by land, by sea, by air of Mar-a-Lago. There were other federal agents there. Nothing about this was normal. Yet we've heard now that they even had medics and EMS there in case there could have been a shootout. Can you believe that? No, nothing about this was standard. What you do is you coordinate with other federal agencies before you go in there.
The FBI, in response, said, quote, "FBI followed standard protocol in this search, as we do for all search warrants, which includes a standard policy statement limiting the use of deadly force. No one ordered additional steps to be taken." So what you're saying, Pam, just to be clear, is that that statement really isn't the full truth, because this isn't normally how it has worked, at least in your career, when you've done something like this.
Well, when you're executing, it's nothing about this is normal. When you're executing a search warrant and you have a coordinating federal agency, you coordinate with them. You are on the same team, even though they are protecting the president. The president wasn't at Mar-a-Lago. That was why they chose to execute the search warrant then. And remember, Mar-a-Lago is one of the most secure places in the world. Listen, if they were looking for a serial killer who they thought was hiding there, yeah, it's maybe a little different. But they were looking for a box of documents.
So what was the thinking here? What do you think happened?
I have no idea. I have no idea why they wouldn't coordinate with the Secret Service. But to even have medics on scene in case, that's what we've heard, in case something went wrong, that's outrageous.
Okay, so you are the former Florida Attorney General.
Yes.
The current U.S. AG Merrick Garland said that he personally approved of this raid on Mar-a-Lago. So realistically, does that mean that AG Garland looked at the search warrant, saw the words "shoot and kill," and gave it the rubber stamp?
Absolutely. If he said he personally approved it. And if you remember when that took place, think about the resources that search warrant took. Remember that? They had helicopters. They had people in the water at Mar-a-Lago. They had agents everywhere. They used so many resources to go in and get a box of documents that was in the most secure place in the country.
And when you say, and when you say the FBI should have coordinated with other law enforcement agencies, are you saying that if you were overseeing this, or what should have happened was that the FBI should have coordinated with Donald Trump's Secret Service detail?
Without a doubt.
But then the element of surprise, if they wanted to get those classified documents, wouldn't have happened.
But President Trump wasn't there, nor was his staff. What were they worried, that he was going to have a letter from President Obama that was left in the White House desk and someone was going to flush it down the toilet? Yeah. You know, this wasn't a kilo of fentanyl.
Right.
These were documents.
And before we let you go, got to get your thoughts on this. You were in court with the president yesterday. The defense has rested. Closing arguments, though, are not going to be for a week. You've been in court. You've run cases. This isn't normal. Why is this happening, if for no other reason than to keep Trump off the campaign trail for another week?
Yeah, nothing about this is normal. And, you know, sitting in that courtroom, having prosecuted hundreds of cases, I walked in there. A judge is supposed to be a neutral arbiter, okay? He's supposed to be the umpire. He calls balls and strikes. This judge was the cleanup batter for the prosecution. Never seen anything like it. You would sequester a jury. You would instruct a jury and send him out then. But he basically tells them, go have a great Memorial Day. See you next week.
It makes no sense.
Makes no sense.
And really quickly, you said that you were with Donald Trump when he got this news of the search warrant and the wording of it. We saw the tweet, but in person, what was his reaction like?
I think it was very upsetting to everyone because, again, that endangered lives.
Yeah.
That and what if the Secret Service agents didn't know those were FBI? They thought it could have been a murderer
and it makes you
coming
question
in Mar-a-Lago.
what's to come if we get a conviction here. Like, are the agencies going to coordinate in New York? It's very concerning stuff.
And the headline is, according to a former state AG, this is not standard protocol. No. Pam, thank you so much. Very interesting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.